How do you get eyes on the scene of a crime in 70 seconds? When a 911 call is received, responder drones are deployed from their station in under 5 seconds and arrive on the location quicker than any police car could. Equipped with a 40x zoom visual camera and a thermal imager, it provides detailed aerial views of the scene, giving first responders critical insights before they even arrive. But that's not all. The drone can also deliver life-saving medical supplies like EpiPens and Narcan directly to those in need. Its integrated loudspeaker and microphone enable two-way communication, potentially de-escalating tense situations. BRINC works directly with first responder agencies to determine the pricing structure. Here is another drone designed to enhance situational awareness for first responders, this time developed by a Zurich-based company. Sigma, the drone tethered to the ground station, deploys instantly while dragging a power cable behind it. Equipped with thermal and RGB cameras, it provides a real-time aerial view of the scene, allowing the team to make decisions quickly. The drone can fly up to 45 meters and stay in the air for up to 24 hours or more. The data from the drone can be combined to stream up to 20 devices simultaneously. It can be viewed on a tablet, laptop, or smartphone, allowing rescuers and other professionals to respond more effectively to the threats. What do you get when you combine the functionalities of a lifebuoy and a drone? The TY3R Flying Lifebuoy drone is designed to swiftly deliver flotation assistance to swimmers in desperate need. Deployed from the shore using a joystick remote control, this drone can reach a distressed swimmer at 47 kilometers an hour, more than 1,000 meters away, outpacing traditional rescue methods. With real-time visuals from its 720-pixel camera, the pilot can navigate with precision and, once on site, it lands on the water and serves as a lifebuoy, keeping the swimmer afloat until help arrives. The price is set at around $11,000. Here's a drone designed specifically for people who love taking pictures. With just a simple voice command, this drone can take off and land in seconds. Equipped with a 12-megapixel camera, it can record 4K videos at 60 frames per second, and in terms of speed, it can go up to 42 kilometers per hour, and can even manage short bursts at 60 kilometers per hour to follow fast-moving subjects. Additionally, for those interested in slow-motion footage, it can record at 1080p at 120 frames per second. Here's the kicker. Despite its advanced features, the device weighs below 200 grams and fits compactly in your pocket. They named it HOVERAir X1, and it is priced at just above $400. Researchers at ETH Zürich have developed a drone that can not only fly at a cruise speed of 70 kilometers an hour with a 5-kilometer range, but can also dive from a height of 150 meters into water, mimicking the behavior of diving seabirds. Not just that, it can also swim underwater at a speed of 9 kilometers per hour for about 10 minutes. And the most impressive thing about it is that it operates in the opposite direction as well, from water to air, achieving stable flight within 3 seconds. While the project is still in development, it showcases the drone's versatility and potential for assisting search and rescue operations, as the researchers explain. Imagine this drone casually docking on your balcony. This is the future a Swiss startup imagines for medical transportation. Jedsy X, the drone, can fly up to 120 kilometers to deliver essential medical items like test samples and other medical supplies, carrying up to 3 kilograms. Notably, it is authorized to fly over populated areas, reaching even remote and hard-to-reach locations at a cruising speed of over 100 kilometers an hour. It's also suitable for operating in temperatures ranging from -20 to 50 degrees Celsius. Jedsy has already established agreements for almost 200 routes across Europe, starting with a notable collaboration with Asklepios, a healthcare provider in Germany. While many drones are held back with short flight times and limited lifting capacities, the FIREFLY drone is designed to address exactly those shortcomings with the ability to fly for about 2 hours and carry up to 45 kilograms, thanks to its hybrid electric and combustion power system. It's designed to be two-person portable and can be refueled in under 5 minutes. Developed by an American startup in collaboration with NASA, the National Science Foundation, and the United States Department of Agriculture, the FIREFLY drone is intended to assist in disaster response and support firefighters and even doctors in delivering medical supplies to remote areas. Don't forget to subscribe to Unstoppable Gadgets. And if you want to check out some life-saving innovations, click on the screen for the next video.